Hello everyone, my name is Karthik Charna and I'm an architecture student. Today I will be discussing about my architecture design thesis where I will give a brief introduction to my thesis topic with my design concept and solution towards it. The topic which I have chosen is Indian International Centre Shadra. ISC Shadra is visualized as a place where intellectuals from various fields would come together and share their knowledge with young enthusiasts. Since the site is located at the center of Shadra CBD and upcoming institutions like Delhi University and IPU, it becomes very critical for my project to be welcoming as a project will have a major footfall of college students visiting other than the professionals. When I started deciding about the spaces on my project, I studied similar case studies of Indian Habitat Center and Indian Islamic Center, where I wanted to understand the relationship between different institutions like Cultural Center and office spaces working under the same hood. I came to a conclusion of providing co-working office spaces in my design as co-working is the upcoming lifestyle employees and startups are living to as it gives a lot of advantage to stakeholders at different levels. In my design, I wanted formal and informal spaces of interaction for people working in co-working center through a medium of cultural exchange facility. These spaces will bind my cultural and office facility. Therefore, I distributed 40% of my area program to co-working office spaces and 40% to cultural spaces, which give me a 2:1 footfall ratio of cultural to co-working spaces. The final product mix which I did use included spaces like an auditorium for 500 people, permanent exhibition hall, food court, and the co-working tower on the ground floor. Then I have VIP lounge, back office, and library on the first floor. Second floor included spaces like multipurpose hall, conference room, lecture room, and restaurants. Third floor is defined as an intermediate floor between cultural and the co-working facility and included accommodation and recreational spaces like gym and swimming pool. Fourth and the fifth floor are co-working floors with double-heighted cutouts in between. The site is linear in nature with dimensions of 282 meter and 76 meter. The site is even shared with a petrol pump and is accessed from two sides. It was crucial to design the main entry and exit from the main road. The building is designed with a mass that could hold its identity in relation to the adjacent Leela Hotel. Major spaces were carved out of the main blocking in order to get informal spaces, hence, a hovering co working block was achieved, supported by good wide beams and columns. The concept development was a crucial part of the program as when I was studying about the history of East Delhi, I could not find a place or a building to refer upon other than the old Loha Pul, which is still used as a medium to travel in and across East Delhi. So the major materials which I use in my spaces are exposed brick, concrete with sandstone cladding and screenings, which overall gave a dramatic statement to the building. Hence, I wanted my building to be another identity of East Delhi since it's the first cultural center in the town. We understand how the sun moves, so it gives fantastic shadow play in the interior spaces since the southern facade has multiple treatment of jalis and perforated exposed brick screen.